Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. In this video, I am going to discuss about Indian Institute of Technology IIT and its complete details. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. What is IIT? The Indian Institute of Technology IIT is a group of educational institutes in India set up by the government to produce high quality scientists, engineers and technologists. IITs are premier autonomous public technical and research universities located across India, governed by Institute of Technology Act 1961 and listed 23 institutes. As of 2020, the total number of seats for undergraduate programs in all IITs is 16,053. Most of the young minds competes to achieve IIT and very few dedicated aspirants clearing the hurdle of JEE advanced examination. Why IIT is so famous and important? It has standard of education and world-class facilities, and it provides definite placement or job opportunities with high CTC or packages, scope of learning and industry best practices with real-time practical scenarios. Duration of the course is 4 years, which is segregated into 8 semesters, while dual degree and for integrated courses it is 5 years, that is 10 semesters. Coming to fee structure, it is an average of 1 to 2 lakhs per annum and salary starts from 10 lakhs per annum. Admission. Candidates must have secured a minimum of 75% aggregate marks in the qualifying examination. For admission, entrance exam is JEE, Joint Entrance Exam, which is of 2 parts, main and advanced. For admissions to MTech programs, candidate need to have qualified graduate aptitude test in engineering, that is GATE. Bachelor degree holders in engineering and those who are in a final year of such programs will be able to apply for GATE. Top 10 Best Indian Institutes of Technology. Indian Institute of Technology Madras. According to the NIRF ranking, IIT Madras has been ranked as the best engineering institute in India for 3 consecutive years. Next, IIT from Delhi, Bombay, Kharagpur, Kanpur, IIT from Roorkee, IIT from Hyderabad, Varanasi, Indore and Bhubaneswar. Best courses in IIT. All the IITs offer different courses, but the most popular courses are computer science, mechanical and electrical engineering. Types of degree programs offered at IITs. IITs in India are typically known for 3 degree programs, BTech, MTech and dual degree. However, these premier institutes also offer other degree courses such as undergraduate programs like Bachelor of Science, dual degree, BTech, MTech and dual degree BS and MS, Bachelor of Architecture, Bachelor of Design and PG programs like Master of Science, dual degree, MSc and PhD, Master of Design, M.Design, Master of Business Administration MBA, Master of Philosophy MPhil and joint MSc PhD. Few popular specializations after engineering are Computer Science Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication, Automobile, Aerospace, Mechanical Engineering, Petroleum Engineering, Industrial, Civil Engineering and Marine Engineering. Career choices after IIT. The first choice is Information Technology and Software Development. Next, Data Scientist. Data Scientist is expected to do text mining using statistical tools, currently a favorite sector among IITians. Next, Research and Development, like Lead Instructional Designer, Technology R&D, Lead R&D. Next, management related careers like Manager, Business Development Manager, Business Manager, Marketing Head, etc. Management consulting job is an advisory service to assist managers and organizations achieve their goals and objectives. Next, Financial Services. Financial service sector is one of the major recruiters at the IITs. The financial sector is a section of the economy made up of firms and institutions that provide financial services to commercial and retail customers. This sector comprises a broad range of industries including banks, investment companies, insurance companies, and real estate firms. Next, education. Several educational institutes in India and abroad recruit IIT graduates as faculty members and research fellows. Next, entrepreneurship. The act of starting and running your own business or a tendency to be creative and wish to work for yourself in your own ventures. Apart from these options, you can go for your own startup, prepare for civil services, etc. Few famous IITians. There are many famous IITians who proved themselves and serving the world with their proven technological ability and being an inspiration to most of us. Few of them are N.R. Narayan Murthy, co-founder and former chairman of Infosys; Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, founders of Flipkart; Sundar Pichai, CEO Google; Manohar Parrikar was an Indian politician; Arvind Kejriwal, current Chief Minister of Delhi; and Chetan Bhagat, popular book writer, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.